Hello, Mr. Gerstein. Can you nice, I'm fine, thank you. Can you explain a bit about your platform 123?
Right, the platform is Portfolio123. The most elementary use of it is stock screening, and this is where you query a database to find stock ideas. And the ideal is you find stocks that you may never have heard of until you see them on our platform. And I found some of the best ideas I've ever had in my career this way. Stocks that you don't know if for any reason, you won't see them for any reason other than they're worthwhile. Now we can also control the number of stocks that you find in a screen. We combine screening with ranking. For example, you can find value stocks, maybe get 250 or so, apply, say, a growth ranking system. So you're combining different styles and wind up with, say, the 10 fastest growth companies that are well valued, whose stocks are well valued. And at every stage of the way, you can test your model, because a lot of models sound great on paper. Oh, this sounds like a terrific idea. Like growth, I'm going to use 10-year sales growth as my criterion. You backtest it and you find that doesn't really work so well. Maybe the street is not so long-term oriented, even though everybody talks about long-term oriented. But with the backtester, you can find out exactly what it is the street is looking for, so you can tune your models appropriately.
Which markets do you cover?
We cover the US equity market, the Canadian equity market. We also cover ETFs and closed-end funds. And of course, once you have ETFs and closed-end funds, you get global, we have commodities, different asset classes, the fixed income. But right now, our bailiwick is US stocks. Now, we recently signed a license that will allow us to start going global. So we will be adding Europe first and then expanding to other markets, and that would hopefully be around later in 2020.
You also have cryptocurrencies on it?
Oh God, no. Cryptocurrency, I barely even know what that is.
That's good news. And what are your other future plans?
Well, I said right now, the big future plan is to go global with the database, and we're very excited about that because fundamentals are very well developed in the US, this kind of analysis, much less so elsewhere. So we think the opportunities to use our platform in Europe and Asia to find ideas might even be better than they are in the US. The other thing we're doing is creating what we call an invest platform. And this is where you can keep track of all of your ideas, all of your trading signals in one place, and automatically execute them with zero commission brokerage firms. Right now we're on Interactive Brokers. We're just starting with Tradier, and that's a relationship we're very excited about. And we're planning to expand. We'd like to cover as many as we can.
Thanks for the interview.
Thank you very much.